Also facing the problem where Microsoft Word is missing proofing tools like spell check, grammar, or thesaurus. This usually happens because of incomplete Office installation, missing language packs, or corrupted files. Many online solutions are complicated and hard to follow, but here's a simple trick that worked for me. First, open Microsoft Word and go to File Options, Language. Check if the proofing tools for your preferred language are installed. If not, click Add a Language, select your language, and install it. Make sure to set it as the default editing language. Next, repair Microsoft Office. Press Windows plus R, type appwiz.cpl, find Microsoft Office in the list, right-click it, and select Change. Then choose Quick Repair. If that doesn't solve the problem, try Online Repair for a more thorough fix. Also, ensure your Office installation is updated. Open any Office app, go to File Account, Update Options, Update Now. Installing the latest updates can restore missing features. If the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall the proofing tools manually from Microsoft's official site. Sometimes missing files prevent Word from detecting proofing tools correctly. Finally, restart Word and check if all proofing tools appear and work properly. This simple trick fixed missing proofing tools for me when nothing else worked. If you want a full step-by-step guide, comment